Greetings, everyone. My name is Edrina. I'm going to present a research paper titled The Role of Leadership Styles in Fostering Innovations and Its Impact on Market Share. The paper contains introduction, literature review, research methodology and data, empirical analysis, conclusion, limitations, and further directions. Organizations operate in a competitive environment that is constantly changing. These changes affect all internal organizational processes, such as changes in products, services, technology, and markets. Today, organizations need effective leaders who have a deep understanding of the complexity and speed in the changing global environment. Changes in business environments challenge the ability of managers to think about and react to different markets in an effective way. So, the primary purpose of this empirical research is to present the role of leadership styles in organizational innovation and to investigate how organizational innovation affects market share. The sample consists of leaders and managers in leading positions of private sector companies in the Republic of North Macedonia. Within this aim, we'll try to answer the research questions below. What leadership style proves most effective in fostering innovation? And does innovation positively affect market share? In the existing literature, there are arguments that leadership is important for innovation management. On the other hand, innovation is seen as a source of long-term sustainability. Although there are many studies on the relationship between leadership styles and business performance, research on how these leader behaviors affect the creation of innovations has recently received much attention. Regarding the impact of leadership styles on innovation, there is sufficient scientific evidence that proves that leadership styles significantly influence the generation of innovation. Authors mentioned here found that transformational leadership style has a positive impact on innovation. Furthermore, within the theoretical and empirical literature review, research indicates that innovations contribute to achieving success in the market share. Research methodology and data. It is used primary data with 140 observations collecting through questionnaire, and for the estimating purpose, we employ structural equation modeling to examine the relationship between leadership styles, innovation, and market share. Based on the PLSM method, as demonstrated in this figure, we identify three groups of variables. On the left side, we have the latent constructs formed by leadership styles, which appear as exogenous variables. Innovation appears as endogenous variable related to leadership styles, while it functions as an exogenous variable in relation to market share. Finally, the latent construct on the right side, or market share, is presented as an endogenous variable. The value of R squared for the relationship between leadership styles and innovation is 27, which means that 27% of the variance in innovation is explained by the variance in leadership styles. The second R squared is for the relationship between innovation and market share, indicating that 52% of market share is explained by innovation. As we can see, this table shows vector inflation factor for each variable, and the rule of thumb for VIF is to not exceed the value 5, and in this case, all values are below that threshold, indicating that there is not any collinearity problem present among the observed variables. This table shows convergent validity, composite reliability, and Cromba alpha values. And as we can see from the table, all the values are at the acceptance level. And the last table shows a relationship between variables, path coefficients, followed by t-statistic and p-values for each relationship. And from the calculated results, we can say that the democratic style has a positive impact on innovation. The laissez-faire style has a negative impact on innovation. The autocratic leadership style has not shown any impact on innovation, and the impact of innovation on market share is positive and significant. This research aimed to investigate the role of leadership styles in fostering innovation and assess innovation's impact on market share. The results have shown that there is a positive impact of democratic leadership style on innovation, a negative impact of laissez-faire style on innovation, and a strong positive impact of innovation on market share was found. The scientific contribution of this research consists of increasing the added value of the empirical literature on the influence of leadership styles on organizational innovation. Meanwhile, this research may have practical implications for businesses, which is especially relevant in today's business era, where innovation is a very important factor for every enterprise. Despite the contributions that this study may offer, it is important to note its limitations. Firstly, the study focused only on North Macedonian enterprises, and its utility could be enhanced by including more Balkan countries. Additionally, the market share assessment was conducted from the perspective of the leaders. Perhaps the comparison with the company sales data would have given more objective results. Thank you.